About 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, I got an elbow in the side. The voice whispered, "I just heard the toilet flush." This is called a ghost flush, when your toilet flushes itself. Flush the toilet, there is a small button up here that has one little snowflake on it, and there's a lower section that has two little snowflakes. That's for number one, that's for number two. That's for flushing liquid waste, that's for flushing Taco Bell. The idea being to save money because it takes less water to flush liquid waste than solid waste. We don't need to shut the water off for this. This little thing right here, cable tie, zip tie, that's what's going to fix the phantom flush that happens in the middle of the night. Pick these up, of course, on Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, just a couple dollars. This is a 4-inch cable tie. We're going to carefully remove the tank lid. This is where the push button system connects. Got a little cable that goes through here. Right down here, follow this pipe down here. Right down here, there is a black rubber band that helps to stabilize the valve system here. This replaces the common flapper. Right down here, you may be able to see this plastic clip. We're going to run that zip tie through those holes and cinch that up tight, because the reason it's phantom flushing is because it's got a little play in it to prevent this valve from moving up and down, working in conjunction with the plastic clip that we're going to put the zip tie through. Danco does include a zip tie for your initial installation. Thank you for checking out my channel. Now we have the zip tie in position. We're going to start sliding that to a snug position, making sure that our valve is not getting moved around. Bring that in about as tight as we can. If you have smaller hands, bird hands would work great in that tight space. You see there that black zip tie that's sticking out? That's going to hold that plastic bracket in place, keeps this valve from shifting position, and we won't have any more phantom flushes. I'm not going to show you the whole bathroom because I do believe there's such a thing as too much information. I will show you this little secret. No toilet paper. Because of a virus that rolled into the country, everyone made a run and started hoarding toilet paper. My solution was a bidet. No longer reliant on toilet paper. That's the fix for the phantom flush. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below.